Welcome guys. So we have a question here that we're supposed to do. Okay. It's been a while once we did these things. I mean, since we did these things, it was because we were busy with the school, but now we are back and back very, very stronger. So we have a question here that we're supposed to do, and I will encourage you to pause the video, try the question, then we come and compare our answers. Okay? As people that are preparing for the exams, it's important that we get to familiarize ourselves with such questions. Alright? So, let's get to understand this question here. The first thing that we're supposed to do is to break it down. Or probably we need to ask ourselves, where is this screen coming from? So, in the case of our topics, this is index notation. Alright? But if you want to bring it down, we could be looking at the equations involving indices. So, I could rewrite this thing as follows. Once I've done this, once I've introduced a minus here, that means we get to eliminate the fraction part. Because you remember from our indices or the laws of indices, when you have 2 this, let me write it here, this is the same as 1/2. And the reverse is also true. Okay? The reverse is also true. But in the case of this one, we need to simplify this part here. Okay? You remember where we say that any base raised to 0 is equals to 1 apart from 0 itself. So this is going to end up as a 1 here. This 2 to the power 0. This is 1. So here we have 2, 1. I hope that is building sense. Now, at this point we need to look at the bases. The bases are different. So we must get this equation to a point where we kind of have the same base. So to do that, we already have a 2 here, and we're looking at, is there a way we can rewrite 8 so that the base becomes 2. Yes, this is going to give us okay. And again, you know, by the laws of indices, we could multiply this and that. So we are going to end up with 2 negative 3x is equal to 2, 1. Once we have the same base, then we just get to equate the indices and leave out the bases. So what am I trying to say? We get rid of this and this one. So we're just solving this equation here. You get that? So to do that, you say divided by 3 divided by negative 3. Therefore, our x will be equals to negative 1 over 3. That is what is going to be our answer. If you have made sense out of what I presented, I want to encourage you to follow this channel, subscribe, invite your friends, and if you may need a lesson from us, for those of you that are in Zambia, please check in the comments below. You're going to find our phone numbers there that you can get in touch with us. Thank you very much.